Okay, so it's 7 o'clock. My son's gonna get up and brush his teeth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squirt some of this hot sauce inside the toothpaste so when he brushes his teeth, if he's too tired to notice the red coming out instead of the blue, hopefully. Let's see his reaction after I go wake him up. Okay, so I put a little dab at the tip of it. Time to go wake him up. Good morning. Wow, you just woke up when I opened the door. Okay, get up. 7 o'clock. Okay, let's go brush your teeth. Come on. Your teddy bear doesn't have to brush his teeth. Why do you want to take your teddy bear? Your teddy bear still wants to sleep. Go put him back in your bed. Okay, take your teddy bear. Let's go. Okay, which one's your toothbrush? It's that one? Here, use this one. Give me your toothbrush. Okay. Okay, that's enough water. That's enough water. You don't need that much water. This is your morning brushing teeth. Okay, brush your teeth. Brush it faster. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Brush your teeth. You're done? Huh? Huh. Yes, I can hear you. Did the toothpaste taste good? Huh? Did it taste good? Yes or no? Yeah? It wasn't spicy?